The other year we undertaken 31 to the university, but now we have taken 36 students to the university and getting a mini score of 6.3. This is a grade which has never been achieved in this school again since 1976, and we want to say thank you because I'm told in the year 2019 we are 4.8, 2020 5.0, 2021 4.8, 2022 5.1, 2023 last year, my first result when I came here, we got 5.798, and this time we are very happy because tumevuka sasa kwa 6, tuko kwa 6.3. So ukisikia community hapa inasema shule hii hakuna mtoto hata mmoja ameanguka, kila mtu amepita mtihani, wote wanaenda university and colleges.
So thank you our student for working hard, for being disciplined and making Kitheo go higher. We are expecting better results come next year because the candidate is here. We are expecting them to do even better. So we are happy and we thank God for the good results.
Nilipata B+ na nashukuru Mungu ya 67 points, na nashukuru Mungu kwa hii yenye amenifikisha, na yani hata walimu shule wamekuwa wazuri. Kwa revision tumekuwa tunafanya revision poa, na hiyo ndio imetufanya kama shule tukaweza kupita. Kwangu mimi nilikuwa nimeplan kufanya nursing, but hapo natafuta nyingine yenye nitaweza kufanya.
I attained a B+. I really thank God for this because it has taken His mighty hand, not by myself. If it was for myself, I didn't do that. And for the school, I really thank our principal and all those who are helping us when studying. For the revision, we did it very well, and for now, we are celebrating good grades. I wanted to do education in mathematics and physics, and I'm very sure I will do it.